Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee espresso machines. Today we're testing this Saeco Exprelia Evo, and let's go ahead and make a drink. I just use water so I don't get the milk carafe all dirty. One other thing I noticed is the grind was a little fine. I wouldn't really recommend going much below where it is now. Otherwise it flows too slow. I mean, maybe one notch, but I think it was on 2, and that's really low. It makes them, if the grind is a little bit coarser, the machine doesn't have to work as hard and it'll give it a longer life. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.